Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel after a very long time. So today I will be creating Lord Shiva. Since Savan month is going on and I'm a bhakt of Shivji, I thought of recreating him and let's just see whether I will be able to pull off the Shivji look. Stay tuned. For now, I think I look like a genie. But let's hope when I'm all dressed up, I will look like Shivji. So once I'm done with highlighting the features of Shivji, as you can see, I used white aqua color to highlight and give that shadow and light effect on the Shivji's face. I have really missed painting and coloring and creating. So I think it's like almost 2 years since I've created anything, and I hope that I'll pull off the look. So here is my Rajshree's Vanity team. You can see my team working with me to give me that perfect Shivji look. They are just so dedicated, as you can see. So you can see my hair, all the messy hair, and the last minute touch up. I should be doing the 3 lines, but I mistakenly drew 4 lines on the forehead of Shivji. But
Namo Namo Shankara, Bholenath